We're at 405 Sansome Street in San Francisco, California. This is an elevator I've always wanted to ride. Oh my god. Look at
Close the lights off. There's the motor.
wow, it's just right there.
Send it up to pull.
There we go. I think the motor's been, or the controller's been replaced.
This was an OTIS originally. Spencer modded it.
Look at this thing right here.
Or was a Spencer and OTIS modded it?
Look
No,
at this.
Other way around.
This is OTIS right here. This thing?
Yeah. Yeah, these little flower emblem things are something I did. There's another one up there.
Wow, this cab is beautiful.
It used to be even cooler.
Oh, look at all the ice cream relays. Look at that. You can see the controller and everything. Let's go again. Counterweight. So cool.
But something interesting is this torque track has not been replaced and this one has.
Very cool elevator.